Yes. Now we will today start the exercise number 1.3. Exercise number 1.3. This exercise is related for the multiplication of the different numbers. Suppose question number 1 just see minus 8 into 8 multiply minus 8 into 8. So multiplication is very easy as you are doing earlier from class 4. But here only one thing you have to keep in mind, that after multiplying what should be the sign of that particular number. One number is minus 8 and this number is plus 8. One number is negative, another one is positive. So, what will be the sign of the solution of that number? So, 8 into 8, it is coming 64. And this is negative, this is the positive. So, minus and plus, if you are multiplying, so it will be always negative. Same way, if 8 into minus 8, this is also minus 64. 8 into 8, this is plus 64, minus 8 into minus 8, this is 64. So what we have seen here, question number in first one, minus 8 is multiplied by plus 8. One number is negative, another one is positive. Now the sign of both numbers are different. Here also one is positive, another one is negative. So these two numbers are having the different sign. So if we multiply the different sign, so it comes always negative. So this is the conclusion. And here this is positive, this is positive. This is coming positive. This is negative, this is negative. So it is coming positive. So we can conclude it when the sign of two numbers are same. So the result will be always positive. This is negative, this is negative. If the two numbers are having same sign, the multiplication of that number will be positive. Two numbers, either it is both are the negative or both are the positive. In both cases, what we have seen, it will be positive. And if the one number is negative, one number is positive, our sign is different, so always it will be negative. So same number, sign of same number will be always positive, and in the multiplication and sign of different sign numbers are always will be negative. So this only you keep in mind, and remaining is the same as you are doing the multiplication. Take one more number, suppose minus 6 into minus 5. Minus 6 into minus 5. Now first look at here negative. This is negative, so answer. Multiplication of the same sign will be positive. Same sign will be positive, opposite sign will be negative. Same as 6 5 are 30, and same sign, this is the same sign, so this will be positive. So this way you can do the question number 1. Now we will proceed on question number 2. Find each of the following product. Same way, each of the following product. So product of any number. A concept duster is our duster. So question number 2 is given 2 into 3 into minus 8. Question number 2, 2 into 3 into minus 8. So do step by step. First you multiply 2 into 3. 2 into 3, it will become, see, this is the positive, this is the positive. Same sign, multiplication of the same sign will be positive. So this multiplication will be 6 and the sign will be positive. Again multiplied by minus 8. Now here this is positive, this is negative. So opposite sign, multiplication of opposite sign will be always negative. So 6 8 are 48 and sign will be negative. So only you have to keep in mind of the sign. When it will become positive or negative. So this I have told you so many times that same sign multiplication will be always positive and opposite sign will be negative. Same sign positive. Now one positive, one negative. Opposite sign will be always negative. So this way you can do the question number 2 also. Take one more example and remaining you can do as you book. Remaining questions you can do yourself. See, second question. Second question, minus 5 into 7 into minus 4. Minus 5 into 7 into minus 4. Suppose this question you have to solve. So take one by one. Minus 5 into 7 into minus 4. First take these two. So this number is negative, this number is positive. So different sign. So different साइन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमेशा नेगेटिव होगा. अगर दो नंबर का साइन डिफरेंट हो तो ऑलवेज इट विल कम नेगेटिव. सो 5 7 are 35. This is negative. Into now again this is negative. This is also negative. So same sign का multiplication will be always positive. So result will be positive. So positive. 4 5 are 20 and 4 3 are 12 plus 2 14 and minus same sign will be positive, opposite sign will be negative. So the answer is the 114. This way take one more example. Minus 2 into minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 10 into minus 10. So take one by one. First take is equal to, first there is two number. Now again I am repeating same sign. Multiplication of same sign will be always positive. So this minus and minus it will become positive. So 2 5 are 10 it will become 10. Again into minus 4 into minus 10. Again these two numbers, one is positive, one is negative. Opposite sign will be negative. So this result will be negative. 10 4 are 40 into minus 10. Again same sign. This is negative and this is also negative. So same sign will be positive. So minus positive. So 40 into 10 400. This will be the answer of this one. So this is very clear that how to do the different numbers if they have the same sign or if they have opposite sign. Yeah. So only you have to be alert for putting the sign of the thing after multiplication. So main conclusion is same sign. Multiplication of same sign will be always positive and opposite sign will be always negative. So that's now simplify. Next question, question number 3.
अभी सिर्फ 10 मिनट हो गए।
Simplify using several properties of multiplication. Simplify. Question number 3. Simplify using properties of multiplication. A minus 3 into 5 into plus minus 3 into 3. This you have to solve. By using the properties use करके this you have to solve. Now see here, minus 3 is to be multiplied by 5 plus minus 3 into 3. Here minus 3 is multiplied by this number and minus 3 multiplied by this number. These 5 and 3, two numbers which is to be added after multiplication. So if we can take common minus 3 in both the numbers, so what will come here? It will come 5 and plus 3. Here it will come 5 plus 3. Minus 3 you are taking the common in this one. So here it is coming 5 and again minus 3 in this one also. So here it is coming 3. Now by which property we can do the multiplication? Now which property we are using? This is called distributive property. Distributive property, as I have told you already. What is called distributive property? Distributive property is the multiplication of any number which is to be added. Multiplication over addition. Here addition is becoming. This is addition is becoming. And in this addition, if you want to multiply by any number, so this multiplication will be distributed over these two numbers. That's why it is called the distributive property. Now this you have to multiply by this, and this is same number you have to multiply by 3. So what is happening here? Multiplication is distributed over addition. The multiplication is, that's why this property is known as distributive property. Now again we can solve it. Minus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. Now this has become the question of multiplication, normal multiplication. So 8 into 3, it will become 24, and one number is negative, another is positive. The same thing, if the two are having the different sign, multiplication of these two numbers will be always negative. Different sign negative, same sign positive. So the answer will become minus 24. So this way, by using the different properties, you can take one more example. Question number B. 7 into minus 13 and 7 into minus 10. 7 into minus 13 plus 7 into minus 10. Here, one multiplication is here, other multiplication is here, and this multiplication has to be added. Now by the 7 these two numbers are multiplied. So this you will take it common. So 7 here you will get minus 13 plus here is come minus 10. Minus 13 minus 10. Minus 13. So it will become minus 10. Now here minus 13 minus 10 it will become plus 23, because both numbers if you are having same sign you have to be added. So 13 plus 10 minus 23 and 7 3 are 21 and 7 2 are 14 plus 2 16, and here it is positive and this is negative, so answer will become 161. Here also you have to tell which property we are using. Multiplication over addition are, so multiplication over addition are distributive property. This is also distributive property. 1.3. So how much? 7 into 7, so minus 13, minus 10, 23, 160. So this is the answer of this question. Question number B. 1.3. Question number B. 1.3. Question number So this is the answer. So this way you can do question number 1, 2 and 3. Two questions I have solved and remaining you can do for your homework. Next, two word problem is there. Just see question number 4. Question number 4. This is the answer. Question number 4. In a competitive exam, 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer. Question number 4. 5 marks for correct answer. And 2 marks are deducted for incorrect answer. 5 marks for correct answer and 2 marks deducted for incorrect answer. So what is there in an examination? For the 5 marks will be awarded for the correct answer. Any students, whatever he has done the correct, so he will get for each question 5 marks. And if he is doing any mistake for any number, so 2 marks will be deducted for each incorrect answer. And no marks are given for question which is not attempted, and no mark no mark for not attempted question. So three conditions are there. 5 marks for each question he will be awarded, 2 marks will be deducted, and if he is not attempted any questions, so no mark will be given for that question. Now what is the question? Nisi appeared in the examination and attempted 12 questions correctly. Nisi attempted correct answer, appeared in examination and attempted 12 questions correctly. Attempted 12 questions correctly. Nisi attempted 12 questions correctly and 5 questions incorrect. 5 questions incorrect. 5 questions incorrect. However, she did not attempt 3 questions and 3 questions not attempted. 3 questions not attempted. So, what will be his final score? So, you have to find total scored mark. This you have to find. 12 questions correctly, 5 questions incorrect and 3 not corrected. That means if you add all these 12 plus 5, 17 plus 3. So that question paper was having 20. Now 3 not attempted, 5 incorrect answer and 12 correct answer. As it is given already for the each correct answer, how much he will get? 12 into, for each question he is getting 5 marks. So 12 into 5. This is this much mark he will get here. Total score. Total score you have to find out. Total score mark. 12 into 5 because 12 question he has done correct. So for each correct answer 5 mark is given. So here he will get 12 into 5 and 5 questions incorrect. So that incorrect will be deducted. So from this one deducted mark how much? 5 questions, and for each incorrect answer how much mark is deducted? 2 mark. So 5 into 2. This much mark from this one it will be deducted, and 3 is not attempted, so nothing will change. So here 12 into 5, 60 minus 10 is equal to 50 mark. So total his mark will become 50 because 3 is not attempted, so therefore he will not get any mark. Here 12 into 5 60 and 5 into 10 this mark will be deducted from 60, so he will get 50 mark. So this is the question number 4 answer, and same way one more question 5 is given here that you do in your homework. So complete for homework, complete exercise 1.3. This is the homework of today's class.